Hello. It's awesome for all when you hear me at this momnet. There's a very good win-win situation comes to both of us for a friendly long future cooperation. I'm Jack. I am here so appreciated to show our slow wire electrical discharge machining, EDM, or slow wire cutting workshop. Here is a precision manufacturing process used in mold making to create intricate geometries, especially in hardened materials. It's particularly valuable for injection mold building due to its ability to cut through hardened steels with ease and create precise features like precision mold tubes, cores, pins, inserts, and tapered pockets. In our factory Cebu's slow wire cutting function, machiners a feature their wire EDM machines, focuses on precise and reliable wire feeding during the cutting process. This function, combined with Cebu's traditional, enables a production of high-precision cuts with stable pitch accuracy. The slow wire cutting function is particularly useful for complex shapes, intricate details, and tight tolerances.